Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're heading to Puffing Billy, but first we're stopping by the Lost Foods Market. I've heard it's really cute forest market with handmade stalls and lots of good food, so let's see what's it like. Okay guys, we're here now at the Lost Foods Market. Before you come in, you'll need a free entry ticket. We booked ours online before coming and I definitely recommend doing the same thing. And now let's head inside. Oh, that's cute. Cake up. There are so many cute things here. I honestly just want to buy every single one of them, but there are way too many to choose from. Everything is just so adorable.
There's ones here with water, put some shells, chucked it in the freezer, and then when we tip the bowl out, we can put more. That's all. That's quite cute.
Oh, this looks so nice. Oh, look, she's in the stroller.
After one. Oh, yeah. Jeremy. Yeah.
Oh look, this one's also adorable. This market is dog friendly, so everyone brings their dogs here. There are so many cute dogs walking around. Now we're back on the road heading to Puffing Billy. I'm really excited because it's one of the most iconic things to do around Melbourne. I can't wait to show you guys what this looks like. Alright, we've parked the car and now we're walking over to the Puffing Billy, and it's only a short walk from the parking lot. Apparently I lost the footage of the ticket entrance, but here we are now just waiting for our turn. We're taking the Belgrave to Lakeside journey today, and there are a few different routes you can choose from, so make sure you're on the right boarding area for your ticket. The train is about to board. Since both sides have open windows, you can sit on either side, but if you want a better view as the train leaves the station, I'd recommend choosing the side facing the station.
We're stopping at Meansies Creek for about 2 minutes. Please stay on the train. Okay?
Okay.
When you get to the other end, we will do the doors. Okay, we will open the doors for you. and then please don't open them otherwise.
Hello, Sim. Hello, Jack. Hello, Jack. Hello, hello. Nói hello đẹp trai.
Great.
Bye bye.
Just a little head up, the ride can get a bit bumpy, so if you're leaning out the window, make sure to hold on to the railing at all times. Also, since the train is steam powered, tiny bits of ash from the coals can sometimes blow onto your clothes during the ride. If you can, avoid wearing white or light colored clothes. The train ride from Belgrave to Lakeside takes around an hour, so it's giving you plenty of time to enjoy the beautiful forest view. On this journey, we'll also pass by the Lost Boot Market that we visited earlier today. We're now arrived at the Lakeside station. There's a small railway museum where you can learn more about the history of the Puffing Billy and see some old trains. After that, we grabbed some lunch at a cafe, then took a walk around the beautiful lake and enjoyed the scenery.
Biết không mày? Bị hai rồi à. Sang này. Sang này. Sang này.
Once we were done exploring, it was time to hop back onto the train and head back to Belgrave.
You ready to go? Yeah. What about you? Are you ready? Good. You guys ready to go? Here you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
The views along the way are breathtaking, but seeing them through the camera isn't like seeing them in real life. So if you're visiting Melbourne, this is definitely something you should do at least once. Consider it as your Melbourne side quest. Oh, here it is, the famous old bridge. This is one of the most popular views on the Puffing Billy Railway, and you've probably seen it all over TikTok. And that's it for our Puffing Billy adventure. We're heading home now. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.